Hello children, welcome back to Shet Vidya Mandir audio video lesson. I am your Miss Nilofer and children, today we are going to solve our SST worksheet for lesson number 12, People Who Help Us. So, before we start, make sure you are ready with your worksheet. Now, I am going to solve the paper. When I am solving your worksheet, pay attention and listen carefully. Okay children, so let us start. First children, we have to write our name, standard, division and roll number. So in the column of division, write your division, then write the date, the day you are solving this paper, and then write your name and write your roll number. Once you have done, let us go to our fill in the blanks. So let us read the question. Question number 1. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Now children, here there are some options given and from these options you have to select the correct option and fill in the blank. Let us see the first one. We should be good and dash to people who help us. Now children, remember when we were studying what I taught you, how we should treat people who are helping us? Yes, we should be polite with them. So write there polite.
In the blanks, we need people to dash us. Now children, we need people to do what for us? Yes, we need people to help us. So we are going to write help. Third one, we must dash people who work for us. So children, we must respect the people who work for us. So now on the third one, you're going to write respect. Now let us go to question number 2. Question number 2 is write true or false. Now children, I am going to read. You have to tell me, is the statement true or false? First one, the milkman brings milk. So children, what do you think? It is true or false? Yes, it is true. So we are going to write true. Now the second one, the carpenter repairs tape. So children, what do you think? This is true or false? Yes, it is false because carpenter makes furniture or repair furniture. He will never repair tapes. So we are going to write false. Third one, the gardener looks after the plant. So children, tell me, it is true or false? Yes, you are right. It is true because the gardener is the one who takes care of a garden and plants. Fourth one, the postman stitches clothes. So children, what do you think? This is true or false? Yes, you are right. It is false because the postman brings letter for us. And children, who stitches clothes for us? Yes, tailor stitches clothes for us. So this statement is false. Now the fifth one. The watchman guards building. So children, now tell me, it is true or false? Yes, it is true because watchmen are the one who guards our building, our area and our society. Very good children. So now let us write true here. Now let us solve question number 3. What work do the following people do? Now children, there are names of different people given here. You have to write what work they do for us. Now let us see the first one. Maid servant. Now children, tell me, what is the work of maid servant? Yes, to clean our house and to take care of our house. So we are going to write maid servant clean our house. Second, police officer. Now children, tell me, what is the work of police officer? Yes, you are right. He protects us from thief. So now let us write it. You are going to write police officer protect us from thief. Third one, driver. Now children, tell me, what is the work of a driver? Yes, a driver drives a bus or a car for us. So you're going to write the same. Fourth one, carpenter. Now children, tell me, what is the work of carpenter? Yes, a carpenter makes furniture. So we are going to write makes furniture. Fifth one, nurse. Now children, tell me, what is the work of a nurse? Yes, a nurse take care of sick people. So let us write. Sixth one, postman. Now children, tell me, what is the work of a postman? Yes, you're right. A work of a postman is to bring letters. So children, you are going to write bring letter. Seventh one, greengrocer. Now children, tell me, who is a greengrocer and what is his work? Yes, a greengrocer is a person who sells vegetable. So selling vegetable is his work. So we are going to write sells vegetable. One, children, it is doctor. Now tell me, what is the work of a doctor? Yes, you are right. A doctor treats sick people. So you are going to write treat sick people. Question number 4. Unscramble the words and write them correctly. Now children, there are so many words given to us which are unscrambled. Unscrambled means not in a proper order. So you have to make it in a proper order. And to help us, they have given a sentence. So we have to read the sentence. If you know the answer, well and good. Otherwise, we have to try to unscramble the word. So let us go with the first one. He grows food grain for us. Dash. Now children, this is very easy. Now tell me, who grows food grain for us? Yes, you are right. It is a farmer. So here you are going to write farmer. So let us unscramble and write the word farmer. So what is the spelling of farmer? F-A-R-M-E-R. So you are going to write farmer. Now the second one. He brings letter for us. Now children, you know who brings letter for us? Yes, it is a postman. So you are going to write postman. Now children, you are going to write P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. Third one, he protects our country. Now children, who protects our country? Yes, it is a soldier. So you are going to write the spelling of soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R, soldier. He cuts our hair. Now children, who cuts our hair? Yes, it's a barber. So you are going to write the spelling of barber. B-A-R-B-E-R, barber. Fifth one, he treats patient. Now children, who treats patient? Yes, you are right, a doctor. So you are going to write the spelling of doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Fifth one, he drives an aeroplane. Now children, who drives an aeroplane? Yes, you are right, it's a pilot. So you are going to write pilot. P-I-L-O-T, pilot. Question number 5. Name the following. A person who looks after plants. Now children, who is the person who looks after plant? Yes, it's a gardener. So you are going to write gardener. Second, a person who puts out fire. Now children, who is the person who puts out fire? Yes, it's a firefighter. So you are going to write firefighter. Third one, a person who drives an aeroplane. Children, who's the person who drives an aeroplane? Yes, it's an pilot. So, children, you're going to write pilot. The fourth one, a person who cleans the road. Children, who is the person who cleans our road? Yes, it is a sweeper. So, you're going to write sweeper. So, children, today we have solved our SST worksheet. And children, I want you all to write down all these answers in your worksheet. And don't forget to write your name, standard, division on your worksheet. Bye, children. Take care. Be safe. Hope to see you soon.